Hi guys, how are you? I hope you guys are well. I have some new items that came into the shop, and I also have a new release listed in the shop. So there's a new Trinity stamps release, and it is huge and it is amazing. You got to check it out. Visit the site. I'll have a video for you probably on Saturday or Sunday, maybe Monday. My box is on the way. It should arrive tomorrow. But don't wait for the video because these items are probably going to go fast because they are so cute. There's new Slimline die stuff. Check out the site. You are going to be amazed. So I also have some other items so I want to share with you today. So temporarily my free shipping requirement has been lowered to $35 on US orders. So take advantage of that. I want to share this card. I did a video on this card if you want to watch my previous video, but I did restock the gnomes. So the gnomes sold out really quickly before I could even do my coloring video. So they're restocked now, and you can check out this video. I've started the series for this, so I'm going to do a few more cards on this stamp set, and it's called Gnome One Like You by Jessica Lynn Original. I've got in the Greeting Farm Gift Eon front and back stamp. So this is one of the stamps that you can pre-order from the Greeting Farm, but this pre-order is over. So if you didn't pre-order it, there's really no way to get it unless the Greeting Farm has extras, and they will list it on their site, but once they're gone, they're gone. But I do have these available. I have a handful of these, and once they're gone from my shop, they're gone for good. So if you really like it, jump on this one. He's got his hands behind his back, and then he's got a little hoodie. It's kind of cool because you can see what's on the other side of him, and you can see how his hair is and stuff. And it comes with some flowers, a little teddy bear, and a present, and it says for you. So you can use this for any occasion, like when you're having a birthday or an anniversary or get well, anything that you're giving to somebody. So this is really great. And what's fun about these is you can do the little spinner cards. So you'll stamp both out, cut them out, and then put a string in between them and paste them together, and then twirl it up, and then when someone opens the card, it'll be spinning. So check out tutorials on spinner cards because these are really great to do with that. Also, these are awesome if you make shrink ink, like keychains. You can do the front and the back. From Picket Fence, this is back in stock, the stamp scrubber. I know a lot of you were waiting for this one. I have it, I've used it. This one's mine. It's really good. So you soak it in water, and then it scrubs your stamp clean. It's great if you're using like the VersaFine Clear ink or something that's more permanent ink. It's great to like scrub it off. So that's back in stock. This one from the last release I grabbed. This is the Tightening Her Bra Strap, and it's got some great sentiments to go with this. So I'll read some of the sentiments. This one says, "Did I roll my eyes out loud?" And then let's see. "The only thing more supportive than a good bra is a good friend." We've got "It's a good day to smile." From Altenew, I grabbed these two stamps. So we've got the versatile vases, which is very nice because you could add any of your flower stamps in there. And this poppy stamp was really pretty, and it looks perfect to add in one of these vases. So those two are new. Woohoo, that was the mailman. So I got one of my boxes from Trinity, so the other box will probably arrive tomorrow. Isn't it funny they get shipped on the same day, but they arrive different times? Okay, so I'll show you what I got so far. There's more to this release. You'll see it on the site. All I had left was the Altenew. There's a paper pad, really pretty watercolor designs, and I did restock the watercolor sets. So I have the bundle and I have the single available. So let's see what we've got here. So we've got Unbelievable. So this one's a cute, there's several cute little magical creatures in this release. So this one's like the, is he the Abominable Snowman? Oh, I forgot what he's called. I think that's, is that an Abominable Snow guy? I forgot. Is he a Yeti? No, he's not a Yeti. You tell me, I forgot his name. But it has a little pine tree, his footprints, another pine tree, ice cream cone, a balloon, and a skateboard that he could be on. And it says, have an unbelievable birthday. And there's coordinating die available for that. Let's see. Here it is. So there's the die. Let's see. And it cuts out what, I wonder what this piece is for. Is that an extra string for your balloon? So you get an extra piece there, and it does cut out the sentiment. There is, this one here is called Crafty Post. It's a stamp and die bundle. The die is in the back. So you get a postcard, a little postage. There's some sentiments in here. There's an outline, looks like, and little heart and stitching and stuff like that. So it's jam-packed full of dies and the stamp set. A little handmade hello is the sentiment there. Plus you get those sentiments in the die. Very cute. This is from last release, and I did restock this one. It's the folded hug stamp set. This is not a card, it's a hug with a fold in the middle. This one is their springtime sentiments. So we've got Spring Fever, Get Well Soon, Happy Easter, Hopping By to Say Hi. It's Rainbow Season. I love that one. I'm Dying to See You. This chick has had it. Somebody Loves You. Have an excellent day. You're my favorite peep. You're a 24 karat friend. Forget spring cleaning. Spring crafting is way more fun. I love that. And this one is called You Rock. So we got the little cassettes, little 80s theme, and then the sentiment is like the tape coming out of the spool, and it says You Rock, and then there's some music notes. So there's some great stencils. This one is the Lakeside Mountain. It's a 3-piece stencil. You get the lake with the water reflections. There's like mountains and trees in the background. Look on the site, it'll show you clearly which, all 3 of the stencils, what they look like. This one's really pretty. It's the layered park tree, and you get 2 pieces in this one. So you get the tree, there's 2 sizes, or no, you get the tree, and then there's a layering effect. So it makes a really, really beautiful tree. And then this one is the crater layers. So this is perfect for the stamps that I'm about to share with you, along with the interplanetary stencil. So you get some planets on this one. So this is the one that goes great with those planet stencils. This is the Otter Space stamp set. Isn't that adorable? Look how cute their faces are. So we get the 2 otters, an extra helmet, some a planet, some craters, a little trail, this little guy here, and then a bow and some stars. Hope your birthday is out of this world, far out. Have an, and then you can have out of this world kind of day. And then you got in your, and then greetings from outer space. And then this is the coordinating die right here. You get the trail and the outline, the trail with the stitching, and then the outline to cut this trail out. And then the die cuts out the sentiments, which is really nice. We've got dust bunnies. This is so cute. This one's one of my favorites. Look at this little bunny. Look at their little eyes, how they're squinting. They're so cute. And then the little chick is like the duster. This is like hilarious. And then you get this neat bed. We get the little bunny slippers, and the bunny's looking at the slippers like, hey. We've got the sentiments, dust for you, because achu, many blessings coming. This is so cute. And then this is the coordinating die. Well, it looks like it cuts out some of the sentiments there. Yep. Super cute. Cuts out that bed for you. And then we've got this large sentiment pack. A sentiment for almost everything. So you get something for everything here. We've got Merry Christmas, congratulations, happy graduation, happy Halloween, happy everything, happy retirement, for your wedding day. We make a great team, praying for you. Thank you, teacher. Safe travels, just because. Thank you, teacher. I think I said that one. Happy Easter, get well soon, happy birthday. On your new job, home, hello, you've got this, baby. Thanks, coach. Sending many blessings your way. Congrats on your new addition. I'm so sorry for your loss. You've been on my mind. Happy Father's Day. Let's get together. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you so much. Happy anniversary. I'm so proud of you. Happy Thanksgiving. Wish you were here. And happy Valentine's Day. There's a high. I think I probably missed a couple. Great set to have in your stash. And then this one is called Standalone Die Set, Your Number 1. Shaped card die. Okay, so this makes a card. And then you could also use it without the card piece too, by just cutting there. Or using the inside. And then you can decorate it. Number 1, there's a little bow that you can put on the finger. You can use an action wobble and make this hand wiggle. And then it comes with sentiments in here. It says dad, mom, coach, friend, you're my, and then the best, all, team, go. And then there's a star. And then this one is the Marshmallow alphabet set. So this is a nice alphabet set. Pretty large words there. Let me bring out my cards so you could kind of get an idea how big the letters are. So you can kind of see how this is a regular A2 size card. And then there's some extras in here. This is a background stamp. Starry skies. So really pretty. Nice stitching on there. Beautiful for your galaxy backgrounds or your night sky scenes. And then I did restock the Slimline dies from Trinity Stamps. And then there's a new die. So this one's their new one. And this one's called Wonky Stitched Wilderness die. So I love a wonky stitch on my card. I mean, I use that constantly. And now there's a slimline wonky stitch, so that I love. There's these really pretty clouds with stitching. We've got mountains, little shooting stars, and then a little burst, and then these little trees. Really, really super nice. And these are the other slimline dies, so you could use it this way. There's 3 windows there you can use. This one is the border landscape die. So you could create some clouds, grass, or a stitching hill. And this is the scalloped one with the banners. And then we have some slimline stencils. This is the space swirl, so perfect for the galaxy backgrounds. We've got little stars. There's 3 different stencils in here. So then there's a galaxy one that's swirly that you can layer up, and then the stars. And then this one, if you've been waiting for this one, this is the Slimline standalone die set, Slimline series envelope builder stamp sets. So you get some word dies in here as well. That says friend and hello. Yep. And then you get the outline. You get this piece in here, which you can use on your Slimline card, which is a scallop and stitching. And then to make the envelope, you got these pieces here, and it's an envelope with a flap on the top, on this side, not this side. So this is really, really nice die. It's a little pricey, but you know what? If you make Slimline cards, you're going to use this all the time, because this is the envelope for your Slimline cards. And you can dress it up and plus use this, and there's word dies in here, so I think it's worth it. So that is everything I have to share, guys. You can use my coupon code Jamie for 10% off your order, and I will catch you real soon in the next video. Take care, guys, and thanks for shopping.